Hi, my name is Kyle Mark with the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group powered by EXP Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, Unit 311-2220 Kingsway at beautiful Kensington Gardens. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, plus a den. And what I love about this unit is the upscale kitchen here. You have the integrated appliances with soft close cabinets, German Melee appliances, a Blomberg fridge, and it even has these nice details with the glass ceramic tile and the gold hardware. So what makes this property so special is how unique this floor plan is. It is one of the only units that has the elevated 9'9" ceiling height here in the living space, and it doesn't come with just one patio that's north facing where you can see the North Shore Mountains, but it comes with a secondary patio which is just massive, which you have access to off your primary bedroom. The developer really thought of everything when putting its final touches on these units. The bathrooms are a prime example of that. You have the gold hardware continued on into the cabinets. The cabinets are floating, medicine cabinets on top for all of your little knickknacks. And the best part of this, being in Vancouver, this unit comes with air conditioning. The amenities located within the development itself is very, very robust. You have a theater room, you have a fully expansive gym, you have a pool, which even in Vancouver, if it's raining, it makes no difference as the pool is always heated and it's open 365 days a year. There's a kids playroom, there's a sauna for you to enjoy. There's also a concierge to make sure that your packages get delivered to you on time as well. This property truly is a double threat. Not only do you have the amazing attention to detail within the unit itself, the location here is absolutely perfect. Whether you're wanting to get into the city, Vancouver is just a 15-minute drive away, or out to Burnaby, its ease of access is pristine. You also are just a 13-minute walk to the Nanaimo SkyTrain station. This property is also built into a complex that includes Scotiabank and T&T Market, so all your food and grocery needs is just an elevator stop away. The unit also comes with 1 parking and 1 storage locker. You have a beautiful concierge services that runs from 8 a.m. to midnight, 7 days a week. My name's Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by EXP Realty. Welcome home.